What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the video, and today we'll be going over the Amazon Comprehend service. So what exactly is Amazon Comprehend? So Amazon Comprehend is a fully managed service, which means you don't need to worry about setting up any infrastructure because AWS does all of that for you. And in addition, you don't need to worry about having any prior machine learning expertise. It also helps you to extract information and insights from various text sources like documents, social media comments, and even customer reviews. You can also use pre-built models for things like detecting sentiment and identifying entities and finding topics. So this is particularly useful for finding sentiment in comments or, as previously mentioned, the customer reviews to figure out if a comment or review is positive or negative. And if you need something more specific, you can customize the models to pull out information unique to your specific business. So what exactly can Amazon Comprehend do? Well, it can detect whether your text is positive, negative, or neutral by analyzing the sentiment of the text. It can find the names of people, places, or organizations by doing entity recognition. It can highlight the most important parts of text, discover key themes, and identify the language that the text used. It can also understand the broader structure of the sentence, and you can also train models to detect industry-specific terms. So when exactly should we use Amazon Comprehend? Well, first of all, to improve the overall customer experience by understanding the customer sentiment. This would enhance products and services. In content moderation, as previously mentioned in comments and reviews, we can flag inappropriate content online. In social listening, to track brand information and trends. In risk detection, to spot risks in the financial sector and in legal documents, and also in the healthcare sector to provide us with insights on medical records and research. Finally, let's look at some of the benefits of using Amazon Comprehend. So first of all, it is very easy to use. As previously mentioned, no prior knowledge of machine learning is needed, and it integrates very smoothly with other AWS services. It is very scalable and cost effective. It works on the pay-as-you-go pricing, which is common for a lot of other AWS services. It is accurate and reliable, and is also very flexible. Right, let's test out this Amazon Comprehend service. So we are here in the AWS console, and we just go ahead here and search for the Comprehend service. And then we can straight away just launch Amazon Comprehend, go to real-time analysis, and then we can just test it here by selecting this analysis type built in the default option. It has some input data already here for us with some input text, and then we can just go ahead and say analyze. And here you can see what the results, what it got. So here you can see John person, and this is the confidence, and July 31st, this is a date, and this is the confidence, organization, confidence. And you can go up and you can say, so this is the entities, and then this is the key phrases that it identified. It identified also the language, English, with a 99% confidence, and then PII, which is the personal and identifiable information. Here you can see stuff like the credit card number, the date, time, the bank account number, names, emails, and then also the sentiment, what part of it is positive, what part of it is negative or mixed or neutral, and then the target sentiment. So that is basically it. That is the power of the Comprehend service. It analyzes text for us just by entering the text here, and you can just analyze it here. And that's all for this video today. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again next time.